Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install mods on Minecraft. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go to your local browser. Then from here, going to search for Forge Minecraft Launcher. Once you go here, you're going to see Forge files, download from Minecraft Forge. Then click on the installer. Then from here, going to just wait for a few seconds, as you can see in the top right, and you're going to let it wait. And then once that is done, going to click on skip, and then you're going to download the installer. You can install it anywhere safe. So for example, I'm just going to create a new file right here, and I'm just going to name it Forge Minecraft. And in that file, you're going to save it and install it. Once you do that, you're going to wait for it to download. And then once it downloads, you're going to just make sure to open this file that it just installed, which is going to be our Forge installer. Make sure once you do that, you make sure to close Minecraft and that it is fully off before you do any procedure. Now that the download has finished, just click on it. Once you click on it, it's then going to launch the installer, and then you're going to install the client, and then you're going to click on OK. Once it installs the client, it's going to show this procedure where it's going to build the process and then download everything that is needed. And then when it says successfully installed, click OK. Now from here, all you have to do is to go to the Minecraft launcher. Then in the Minecraft launcher, once it loads, make sure that you sign in with your Microsoft account or any other account that you have. Then you're going to make sure that you're on the Java Minecraft edition. Then go to installations. And as you can see from here, I have the Forge Java edition. But what you're going to do is you're going to make a new installation, make modded Minecraft. And then from here, you're going to use game directory, and then you're going to browse, and you're going to browse for that same folder where we have downloaded. So as you can see, Forge Minecraft, and then click on upload, then install. Once that is done, it's going to be something similar to this. And so once you have the Forge on here, then you're going to just open the folder. And once you open the folder for Forge, you can see there's a file in there that's called mods. This file right here is where we're going to install all of our mods. So we're going to click on it. I already have a mod that is installed. So to find your best mods, all you have to do is just search for Minecraft mods with Forge. And then you can see CurseForge Minecraft mods. You can see right here. Search for any file that you would like. So for example, this one, click on download. And then once you click on download and you scroll all the way down for it, you can see all the information that you need, and it will automatically open. So you can download this mod straight to the Forge Minecraft, or you can go just directly. So just download this file. Once you download the mod, all you have to do is to go back to the Minecraft launcher, and then from here in the Forge, open the folder again, go to the mods file, and then in the mods file, you're going to download that launcher that we have just downloaded. So this is the mod, just drag it, and then go to the mods file and throw it in here. Once you have it in here, then you're going to your Minecraft launcher, and then you're going to play it and run it, and should be all good. And there we'll have it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.